Welcome to our tropical garden. If you've ever dreamed of growing juicy, vibrant dragon fruit at home, you're in the right place. Today we're sharing secret tips straight from experienced tropical farmers. So, let's put our hands to the soil, feel that warm sun on our backs, and dive in. Dragon fruit, also known as pitaya, comes from a type of cactus. This magnificent plant originates in the arid regions of Central and South America. It thrives in warm, sunny climates and needs far less water than you might think. This makes it perfect for tropical and subtropical regions. The beauty of the dragon fruit is its resilience and ability to adapt. When you see those vibrant flowers open and taste that sweet, juicy fruit, you'll be captivated by this extraordinary plant. Let's get down to the nitty-gritty of caring for your dragon fruit, starting with the soil. The right soil can make all the difference in the health and productivity of your plant. It needs soil that's free-draining, something that won't become waterlogged. Waterlogged soil can lead to root rot, which is a common issue with dragon fruit plants. A sandy, well-draining soil is ideal, and you can buy specialist cactus or succulent mix from your local garden center. These mixes are designed to provide the perfect balance of nutrients and drainage. If you're planting in a pot, make sure it has good drainage. Pots without proper drainage can cause water to pool at the bottom, leading to unhealthy roots. A few good-sized holes at the bottom will do the trick. You can even add some gravel or small stones at the bottom to further enhance drainage. Dragon fruit roots don't like to be sitting in water. They need to breathe and stay dry to avoid diseases and promote healthy growth. Good drainage is the foundation of happy dragon fruit roots. Remember, a well-draining soil mix and a pot with proper drainage holes are key to a thriving dragon fruit plant. Our dragon fruit is a sun worshiper, craving those warm rays. Choose a sunny spot for your plant, with at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. A south-facing wall or fence is often a good bet. Dragon fruit plants are natural climbers, scrambling up trees and rocks in the wild. Provide them with a sturdy post, trellis, or strong fence for support. Something for those vigorous stems to cling to and climb up. Sunlight and support are key to a thriving dragon fruit plant. Watering can be tricky, but we'll make it clear. Knowing when and how much to water can make all the difference in the health of your plants. Dragon fruit is used to arid conditions and sporadic downpours. This means it doesn't need constant watering like some other plants. The trick is to water deeply, but infrequently. This encourages the roots to grow deeper into the soil, making the plant more resilient. A good soak when the soil is dry, then leave it be. This method mimics the natural rainfall patterns the dragon fruit is accustomed to. Check the top inch of soil with your finger. If it's dry, it's time for a drink. This simple test can prevent overwatering and root rot. Once a week in cooler weather, and maybe twice a week during hot summer months. Adjusting your watering schedule based on the season is crucial. Avoid overwatering. Soggy soil is the enemy of happy dragon fruit roots. Too much water can suffocate the roots and lead to disease. It's better to err on the side of dryness than to drown the poor things. Well-drained soil is key to a thriving dragon fruit plant. This next tip is a secret weapon for boosting your dragon fruit harvest. It's all about pollination. Pollination is a crucial process that can significantly impact the yield and quality of your dragon fruit. By understanding and aiding this natural process, you can ensure a more bountiful harvest. Some varieties are self-pollinating, but many benefit from a helping hand. This means that even if your plants are capable of self-pollination, manually assisting them can lead to better results. Dragon fruit flowers often bloom at night and are pollinated by moths and bats. These nocturnal pollinators play a vital role, but they might not always be reliable or present in sufficient numbers. The best time to hand pollinate is in the early morning, just after the flowers have closed. This is when the pollen is fresh and the flowers are most receptive. Take a small, soft brush and gently collect pollen from one flower. Be sure to use a brush that is clean and soft to avoid damaging the delicate flower parts. Then dab it onto the stigma of another flower. This transfer of pollen is what facilitates fertilization and fruit development. This delicate dance can make all the difference to your fruit set. By taking the time to hand pollinate, you can significantly increase the number of fruits your plants produce, leading to a more successful and rewarding harvest. Even though dragon fruit is tough, it appreciates a bit of a feed now and then. A balanced fertilizer applied every 4 to 6 weeks during the growing season is all it takes. You can use a liquid fertilizer or a slow-release granular one. Organic compost is like a superfood for the soil, full of beneficial microbes and nutrients. A balanced 10-10-10 mix will work perfectly well. Moderation is key, we don't want to overdo it. A little feed now and then keeps your dragon fruit happy and productive. So there you have it. Everything you need to know to grow your own delicious dragon fruit at home. Quick recap: well-drained soil, a sunny spot, sturdy support, careful watering, a helping hand with pollination, and a touch of fertilizer. Follow these simple tips, and you'll be amazed at how well your dragon fruit thrives. Gardening is a journey, not a race. Don't be afraid to experiment and make adjustments along the way. Well, that's all from the Tropical Garden for today. I hope you feel inspired to grow your own dragon fruit. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more tropical gardening secrets. Until next time, happy gardening.